Hi guys, this is engineer Adem Ferj. That's my movie to show you after we poured the pier for the tower's foundation. You can see the anchor bolt, concrete, and the templates, centers, everything is done. We did a good job and a great job for my project. Everything is done, so that's movie to show you. And I will keep the forms for 6 days. After that I will remove the forms and I will do cure and seal for the four faces, like the same what I did for the top surface, and that's to hold the moisture for the concrete, keep it inside, because the cement is still need time to be active. And look, everything is done good. We put the concrete, and that's the last movie for the great work here in my project. Yeah, you can see 7 feet square, the footers 14 feet square. Everything is done. It is wet, good curing for the concrete, and I'm sure we will get a great compressive strength after 4 weeks for the concrete that we poured last week. Will be great support. Perfect.